Do these kids till they murder me.
Greetings, viewers, YouTube peoples, back with another episode. Today we're going to be cleaning my buddy's engine bay. As you can see, it desperately needs some love. He's a big fan of the gold. So those of you who haven't seen a NT engine, MR2 engine bay, here you go. So let's spray this down with some degreaser and have at it. Alright, so for those of you that are wondering what you can and cannot cover up, or what you should be covering up, this is the fuel feed. The fuel feed comes from the bottom of this filter. That's not a factory filter, or it is a factory filter, just not a factory bracket. You need to cover up that hole. And this right here on top, that is, well, see, this hose is like the factory coolant feed, but that little hose right there, a little barb, that's the fuel return. If you're using a stock tank, this is what you need to know. If not, don't worry about it. This little torque bracket here, this little engine torque bracket, you need to take that off. Same with this charcoal canister. I'm just cleaning it up because I don't want to be grabbing dirty pieces. Let's see what else. If you're going to be reusing the stock coolant overflow, it's super ugly. But if you're going to be reusing that, take it out. Or if not, just do what I did and just spray it all down. Let's see what else. That bracket there is in factory. That's for a catch can. Everything else here, there's really nothing electrical if you've already removed the harness like I did. Alright, well, my phone overheated. I had to start up a new video. It's like 105 degrees out here right now, but no big deal. I love it. So I got it all degreased. As you can see, it still looks dirty, although a lot of that's just surface mildew that'll come off with like a wipe. But I will get in here before I swap in the motor. I'm going to actually clean it, scrub it, and paint it all another fresh coat of black. But as you can see, like the cross member is nice and clean. Everything on this side looks clean. I know it still looks dirty with that little. It looks cloudy, but a lot of that will come off with just, you know, a wipe or like a damp towel. So other than that, really, guys, it's not really that much to. If there's nothing really in here electrical, like I said before, you don't have to cover up much. If you do have the body harness, which would be in that corner, you need to cover that with like a plastic bag, just because these cars are getting older. You know, you can get water in there, and a lot of these can have some breaks, and you don't want to be chasing electrical gremlins. So let's see what else we got on the docket for today. Well, there's really no other updates on my car per se, or pretty much anything else. The only other new thing that's happened is that Eric over at Hux Racing sent us my buddy's flywheel. As you can see close up, this is the service that he provides with when you buy the cannibal kit. You need to oblong these holes, and as you can see, they're just slightly off center there. So this is included in the price of, or the purchase of a cannibal kit, and he did this for my, but even though he purchased the cannibal kit, he didn't get it directly from Hux. He still provided the service. So that's done, and we're just waiting on the harness now. I know he's out of the shop right now, but we'll, you know, no rush. So other than that, really, guys, there's not really much of an update for my car. I haven't had a chance to tackle the alternator. I haven't even driven it since I came back from Vegas last week. So I'm not going to turn I was about to turn the camera around, but it's, like I said, it's 105 in the shade. So it's hot, but, I'm all sweaty and stuff. So other than that, really, guys, if you guys have any questions, please let me know on what you would like me to cover with the cannibal kit, and in the swap. I'm going to be going over it in detail on what goes where, and if you use Loctite, if you don't use Loctite, how much to clearance off of the block, because you do have to clearance the block on the back where the axles are in order to clear that shaft, and in the front where the slave cylinder is. You need to clear it. You need to, you know, that's all on Hux's site, but I'll cover that myself. So questions, comments, likes, all that's very much appreciated. So catch you on the next one, y'all. Peace. Hey, Phoenix. Hey, baby girl.